Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justina here. So guys, since I posted my last video on how to use aloe vera and Vaseline to achieve a very glowing skin, I've been seeing different kind of reaction. Like many people are surprised this actually work, and guys, I'm not surprised. Like I said in that video that I get that a lot. You know, one thing about life is that the most important things and the most valuable things of life, majority of time, they are either free or very accessible and affordable. And that's just one thing about it. And so I just decided to do another video today on how to use Vaseline and tomato to achieve a very flawless skin. Like guys, this is good for you if you have dark spots, acne, if you have dull skin, or like you are just looking for a way to kind of improve your skin without actually breaking a bank. Because like I said guys, who I believe this time we have to streamline. There are better things to do with money. Like you have to cut down on expensive. If there are things you can get in a cheaper way and you will still get the same results, guys, I would suggest you go for it. And that's the reason why I'm making this video. Don't take my word for it, guys. Actually do it. Like these are easy recipe anyway, so do the recipe, use it consistently for some weeks or for period of a month, and come back and share your testimony with me, and come back and come and tell me, Justina, you lie, you this, you that. I will be here expecting you. Okay, so without much delay guys, let's jump right into today's video. I'm so excited about today's recipe guys, super excited. So guys, our first recipe today obviously is tomato. Tomato contain properties that serve as exfoliants, that helps to exfoliate the skin, that helps to remove excess oil, thereby fighting acne. So if you know your skin is prone to pimples, to acne, and also helps to tighten the pores and make your skin super flawless. Regardless of your complexion, regardless of your skin type, these are home natural remedies guys. Like there is no side effect if you use it, and like if you use this like as instructed, you will definitely love this. To make our recipe, of course you will need a very clean jar. So just like this has been thoroughly cleaned. My tomato has been rinsed. So for this particular recipe, because I'll be focusing on my face, for the sake of this video, I'll be focusing on my face. So I'll be using half. So I'll cut our tomato into two. You get something like a sieve, just to sieve out the seed, and we squeeze. Ooh. We squeeze out the juice, because I want us to just like get all the juice out. Okay, so after getting our juice, so after squeezing our juice, then our next ingredient is our Vaseline. As we all know, like petroleum jelly helps to moisturize the skin, it helps to hydrate the skin, it also helps to seal in other treatments in the skin. Like that does one thing about this. You know the way they say, like if you really want your perfume to last, like you can moisturize your skin with Vaseline and spray your perf that it will last longer. That's the same thing it does. Like it helps to seal in other skin treatments. Like once you use it like a part of the base of the ingredients, it works so well. So for our petroleum jelly, like I said, I'm doing this particular recipe for my face. So we scoop it some. Okay, and I'll add it just like that. I think I will have to add more. One thing about this recipe is that because it's easy, so I don't do large quantity, and once I don't finish it, you can just put it in the fridge. Okay, so once you add that, you just try to mix. Thank you so much if you watch my video to this level. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are here to. Like it's free of charge. Okay, and in case if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to hear from you guys. And in case you've not watched my like the first series of this Vaseline that I've made, I'll click it somewhere here. Kindly after washing, kindly click to watch once you're done here. Okay, mix everything together like so. A VIP ingredient for today's recipe is an egg. Egg helps to regulate sebum secretion, which helps to reduce the appearance of acne. It also helps to prevent appearance of rashes and sun damage like sunburn. So like you see, if you have acne, if you have sunburn, or you think maybe your skin is prone to either of the two, like just say bye, okay? And it also helps to reduce discoloration and brighten complexion. Like you can see the benefits, like all these ingredients, like they are power pack, like they will benefit your skin. So for our egg, we make sure that we are using the white parts. Just try to create an O. Make your O, see, like this. We try to pour. Oh, I think the hole is tiny, so I think I should make it bigger, so that the white part of the egg can come out good. Can you see that, guys? So and for the, because depending on the quantity you are making, okay, good. I think this is okay. Oh, tininess. Then we try to mix everything together. For you to be able to, you have to kind of whisk it very well, so that everything can try to incorporate, because most time the Vaseline we want to separate, you just have to, okay, good, just whisk it, whisk. It's how effective like this recipe are for me, honestly. It's just that I can't even make it in large batches, but thank God that it's not even stressful. Like it's easy, to make. It's easy, super easy. Okay, so just thoroughly mix. You know one thing, guys, you know the way they say, like when you move to abroad, maybe most especially like because due to the weather your skin reacts. One thing about me is that I think overall my skin has been loving, like trying to adjust. Like I'm not really reacting, if not that I had chicken pox. Like you can see, like my skin is actually, it's actually nice. The only thing I see about me is that I noticed that I'm having no knuckles. Like I don't know, I don't used to, and I know obviously I know when I complain some people will be like, this is not knuckle. I know, but back home when I'm in Nigeria, like I have like, you know, like my skin, my hand used to be very uniform. But I think, I don't know, maybe because of their water, I don't know, maybe there is something they put in their water. And obviously because I work in hospital, like because of my work, like we wash hand like regularly, like back to back. I think that's just the only thing for me. Overall my skin has been like, I think my skin love the weather. I think my skin love the weather. Yeah, so after thoroughly mix everything, this is what we have. I don't know if you can see it, guys. I don't know. So we go ahead and we just max it all over. Make sure that your face is cleaned. Okay, one thing about this recipe is that, because you know, like other recipe that it will be obvious that you put something on your face, maybe there will be white, it will be the color will be different. But because this is just like a neutral color, sometimes I leave it on my face and I just probably, because it's with, after a while it will kind of dry, you know, and because the moisturizer or the Vaseline serve as a moisturizer, so there's no dramatic look, sort of. So sometimes I just leave it and I just, maybe on Saturday morning or on days that maybe I'm running, I have so many errands, maybe I'll just leave it like that, get into the car and go grocery shopping. Like nobody's looking at me strangely, you know, the way you can't leave like other marks, maybe that has color, maybe black, white, you know, the way you can wear them out. This is actually different. You can just leave it. You can see. I really, 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 really love this. Really love this. Allow it to sit on your face for like 3 to 5 minutes. You don't need to be repeating this particular recipe like every day. 3 times in a week is okay. 3 to 4 times in a week is, you are good. You are good. So I just get like a wipe, or you can just rinse your face in a tap. Okay? And I just wipe it off. I love that the moisturizer will not make it tacky, you know, or super dry. That's just one thing. So your skin will still be moisturized, sort of. So I just love to go in with this glow oil that I get from Boots. Just to add more moisture to my face. And I just go about my day. And I just massage this in. Make it sit on my face. Oh, sorry guys. So I just massage it in. Make it sit. Okay. Make it sit on my face. And I go about my day. So thank you very much. If you watch this video to this level, I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell, so you'll be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I make video. Find your love. Hey, Mondays.